I'm Amy.
I'm Caitlin.
And today is day 2 of the 12 Buckets of Christmas. We got a lot of fun things for you. Oh, you look really cold,
It's really
sweetie.
chilly in here.
Here, why don't you put your coat on? I have a really nice one here for you.
Thank you.
That on.
Wait, I can't put my arms down. Oh no.
Well, you'll just have to put them down when you get back to your office.
Okay.
All right, well, let's get onto these buckets.
Sorry.
You're not going to be any help at all.
Like
You
usual.
need to take. Okay, so first we have a tumbler from Ket.
Oh, a nice OPT hat, trucker hat.
Gear wrench, rechargeable headlamp.
We have an APEC bit set. Oh, fastening set.
Milwaukee t-shirt.
I think we're too short for this, Amy.
I know.
Oh, Southwire 500 lumen, because I'm a lumen snob.
Light.
According to our sales rep.
An Ariat shirt.
Oh, we got a DeWalt t-shirt. Ooh.
Champion bit set.
We got a spider. Ooh, scraper.
Koozie. A pen. Ooh, duct tape.
Ooh, more spider bit sets and reset blades.
Lube.
Wow. Another spider accessory. Ooh. I think this is really great for grills, I have heard.
Koozies, more stickers, and a thing. And stickers. And stickers.
We do have some pretty awesome stickers.
Stickers, we do. Oh, and a tape measure from DeWalt.
Guess
nice.
what?
What?
More stickers. Stickers!
And mouse pad, maybe? You'll find out.
An ad. More spider. It's spider day for me.
Stabila, measuring,
Oh, protective sleeve. Sorry, I'm reading there's a bicep range on the back.
Spider, jigsaw kit.
I'm not going to say this. Amy already said what it is.
It's lube. Screwdriver and a pen from Jawbox. We got good stuff back here. Backpack.
And this is pretty sweet. We have a 100-piece impact pack-out driver set. And last but not least,
you get to pick a pair of boots from Steel Blue. We got women's boots and men's boots. So you can pick your size and what you want.
Happy 12 Buckets of Christmas. Thank you for the jacket, Amy.
You're welcome.
Always looking
You
out
look
for me.
warmer.
I do. Thanks, everyone.
Bye. Merry Christmas.